Your wish is my command. Let's unbox. Thank you, CG, for the comment and the suggestion to go back and get another pair of Mexico 66s. Spoiler alert, this was a, what's it called? Catfish. Catfish? These are the pair I got last year. Okay, actually what I originally went to go get, I went to go get a pair of Mexico 66s because I got a pair of last year Mexico 66s that I loved, and I wanted to get another pair. This is from Onitsuka Tiger, Japanese brand, great shoes, very comfortable, very walkable. I got them last year because my sister suggested them because she introduced me to them last year. We both went and got a pair. Last year we tried to get the black and the white ones, sold out, not in our sizes. Most of the colors were sold out. I saw the metallic ones too, they were also sold out. This year I went back for the black and white and the metallics, and I don't think they had the black and whites or the metallics, so I wasn't able to get it. But that's what I originally wanted to go get, and that's how I ended up getting these other pair instead, which I do love. And I do love that they're limited, but they're not the Mexico 66s, but they're pretty cool and they're different. But since this pair that I got last year that I never unboxed, I reboxed it for you, so we unbox it because it's an unboxing channel. So let's unbox. This year's bag, last year's box. Unboxing. Okay, so these are Mexico 66 beige and grass greens. And again, I got these last year. I'm sure you've seen me wear them. I love them. I wear them all the time. Oh wait. Yeah! Wow! Oh my god, look at them, how cool! It's so crazy, wow! No, I wear them all the time, I'm sure you guys have seen me wear them. I love them, they're the most comfortable daily walking shoes, especially if you're walking a lot, like traveling. Comfortable, stylish, fitted, support, arch support, and I don't know, fashionable, whatever, I think I said that. Great, and easy to travel with, and they're light and small, compact. So I got these, I love them, and I actually went back to get another pair, but they didn't have any in my size. I don't know if that's an India thing or my size is a very common thing or whatever, but I wasn't able to get it. Even these that I got were not in my size. I had to get one size up, so I have to like wear a thick sock with these. Anyway, I talk a lot. I should stop. But long story short, yes, thank you. I wish I could have got another pair, but I couldn't, so I ended up getting those instead. And maybe I'll get another pair on StockX or something because you can't buy them in the US. Unfortunately, they do not sell them in the US anymore. The store is gone. The store on Rodeo is gone, and the online store is also gone. Chai wants to play fetch. That way. But okay, anyway, I'm gonna do an unboxing of these again because why not? Because unbox channel, and also just talk less because that last video was so long, and this video is also very long. Stop talking. Stop talking. I'm talking too much. I'm talking too much. My videos are too long. I talk too much. I know. Okay. I try to talk fast, and then I talk too fast, and people are like, slow down, but then I talk slow, and then the videos are too long. I don't know what to do. Anyway, I'm gonna do unbox this again, silently, quietly. Shh. Bye. Sorry, Kai.